Hello, everyone. This is your market update for Tuesday, June 17th, 2025. Today, we're going to get retail sales for May expected at -0.6%. We'll see where the import price index comes in, as well as home builder confidence. Tomorrow we'll have that Fed meeting. Again, I'll be leaving for a trip. I'll post a update before I leave in the morning, but I won't be able to post morning briefs on Thursday or Friday. The Thursday report and the weekend newsletter will come out at their usual times. Over to the charts, gold currently trading at $3,402. It was down a little bit yesterday, surprisingly, with all the escalation between Israel and Iran. I thought maybe we'd see some upside follow through. Right now, I got the 10-day EMA on here. As long as prices stay above that level, I think we're probably going to head higher. If we get progressive closes below the 10-day EMA, then that would mean that this interim cycle peaked and that we're rolling over. So right now, we're holding the 10-day EMA, and we'll see what happens. Over to silver, currently trading at $37.08. We're trying to break through that 37 level. I'd like to see progressive closes above 37 to signal a breakout, confirm a breakout. And if we get that and some upside follow through, I think we could be on our way towards 40. Platinum currently trading at $1,262. We had the big reversal last Friday, but prices have held $1,200 so far. We never really completed a swing high. So this was just probably profit taking. And we're going to see if we can get a couple closes back above 1,300, then we could challenge that 1,350 level set in 2021. If we break through that, that would be a 10-year fresh high for platinum and support a multi-year breakout in my view. GDX finished down yesterday 1.67%. Technically, prices formed a swing high. We didn't close below the gap here from last week. We closed just above it by, I think, 2 pennies. I have the 10-day EMA on here. It's currently at $52.67. Really, we need to see progressive closes below that level to support interim top. We had a single close below it here last week, but we need consecutive closes below that to confirm a top. And I don't know that we're going to get that yet. We still have the MACD kind of diverging. Right now, it kissed and it could continue higher if we see some upside follow through, but it looks like momentum is fading, and I think there's still a chance prices begin to roll over here. And then lastly, the S&P 500 finished up yesterday 0.94%. We had this correlation of the 2022 breakdown that was following it very closely until May, and then it diverged. Prices bottomed just after the 50-day crossed below the 200-day. I think about a day later they bottomed. I thought that's when we would probably see at least a bounce. And now we have the 50-day EMA crossing above the 200-day moving average. This is considered a golden cross, and sometimes this is when we'll see a pullback. So my guess is the recession that I thought may have occurred is probably off the table right now. For now, anyway. The Doge cuts we were expecting out of Doge were not as, I guess, deep as we thought they would be. So fiscal spending is going to continue, and Trump back down on the tariffs. So I think we are out of the recession woods for now. And my guess is we're probably going to see new highs, new all-time highs later this year. But right now, anytime you have a crossover like that, we could see a pullback into the crossover and maybe a consolidation. But my guess is we're going to see new all-time highs later this year, possibly up to 6,800 to maybe even 7,000 before year end. Right now, it looks like we've avoided a recession, and that could be a different story for next year. We'll just have to see how things trade into year end. So that's it for now. Have yourself a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later.